HowExpert Top 20 Jiu Jitsu Tips and Lessons for Beginners. 1. Focus on fundamentals. Master the basic techniques before diving into advanced moves. Fundamental skills like posture, positioning, and escapes are the foundation of your Jiu Jitsu game. 2. Regular training. Consistency is key. Regular training will help you build muscle memory and improve your reflexes. Aim for a consistent training schedule that suits your lifestyle. 3. Grip control. Grips are essential in Jiu Jitsu. Develop strong grips to control your opponent's movements and dictate the pace of the match. 4. Position before submission. Prioritize controlling your opponent's position over attempting submissions. A solid position sets up better opportunities for submissions and defenses. 5. Defense matters. Focus on improving your defense as much as your offense. A strong defense will prevent your opponent from capitalizing on your mistakes. 6. Breathing. Maintain controlled and rhythmic breathing during training and matches. Proper breathing helps you stay calm, conserve energy, and think more clearly. 7. Flow rolling. Practice flow rolling with training partners. This means rolling at a slower pace, allowing you to experiment with techniques, transitions, and setups. 8. Mindfulness. Stay present and focused during training. Pay attention to details, anticipate your opponent's moves, and adapt your strategy accordingly. 9. Drilling. Regularly drill techniques to improve muscle memory and refine your execution. Repetition is key to mastery. 10. Study matches. Watch high-level matches to understand the strategies and tactics employed by experienced practitioners. Analyze their movements and decision-making. 11. Cross-training. Supplement your jiu-jitsu training with strength and conditioning exercises to improve your overall fitness and prevent injuries. 12. Rolling variations. Spar with training partners of various skill levels and body types. Rolling with different people enhances your adaptability and exposes you to different styles. 13. Mental resilience. Jiu-jitsu can be physically and mentally demanding. Cultivate mental resilience to push through challenges, setbacks, and exhaustion. 14. Strategy development. Have a game plan for each training session and match. Adapt your strategy based on your opponent's strengths and weaknesses. 15. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask your instructors and training partners for guidance. Learning from others' experiences can accelerate your progress. 16. Warm up properly. Always warm up before training to prevent injuries. Dynamic stretches and light cardiovascular exercises are effective for preparing your body. 17. Recovery. Allow your body time to recover after intense training sessions. Get adequate sleep, hydrate well, and consider practices like stretching or foam rolling. 18. Competition experience. Participate in competitions to test your skills under pressure. Win or lose, the experience gained is invaluable for growth. 19. Lifestyle balance. Maintain a healthy lifestyle outside of training. A balanced diet, sufficient rest, and stress management contribute to your overall performance. 20. Humility. Approach training with an open mind and humility. You'll learn from victories and losses alike, and you'll build positive relationships within the Jiu-Jitsu community. Remember, progress in Jiu-Jitsu takes time and dedication. Celebrate your achievements along the way and enjoy the journey of learning and improvement. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.